Avocado Egg Delight, a nutritious meal recipe. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I have a delicious and nutritious recipe for you all. We'll be making an avocado egg delight that's perfect for a healthy breakfast or brunch. So, let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the avocado. To begin, we need a ripe avocado. Cut it in half lengthwise and remove the pit. Make sure to choose an avocado that is slightly soft to the touch but not mushy. Step 2. Creating the avocado nest. Using a spoon, gently scoop out a little bit of the flesh from each avocado half, creating a small hollow or nest. We'll use this space to hold the eggs. Step 3. Seasoning the avocado. Now, let's season our avocado nests. Sprinkle a pinch of salt and pepper over each avocado half, according to your taste preferences. Step 4. Preparing the eggs. Next, we'll crack an egg into each avocado half. This adds a protein boost and makes the dish even more filling. Now, we'll place the avocado halves onto a baking sheet and pop them into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for about 15 minutes, or until the eggs are cooked to your desired level of doneness. Step 6. Garnishing and serving. While the avocado eggs are baking, let's prepare our garnish. You can choose from a variety of options like fresh herbs, grated cheese, or even a drizzle of hot sauce. Step 7. Finishing touches. Once the avocado eggs are cooked, carefully remove them from the oven. Allow them to cool for a minute or two before serving. And there you have it. Our avocado egg delight is ready to be enjoyed. It's a simple yet nutritious recipe that's sure to satisfy your taste buds. Remember, you can always experiment with different toppings and seasonings to make it your own. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, happy cooking!